ko sa magnanakaw na tao. Madilim na kahapon, ikaw ang mag-aahon. Tayo na, Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Tayo na, Pilipinas, tayo na magbago.
My country, and I love the people of the Philippines.
Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo.
Personnel assigned here in PRO 12. Let us all witness the entrance of the awardees. Team, medalya ng kagalingan is conferred to Anti-Illegal Drug Special Operations Group, Region 12. For eminently meritorious and valuable services rendered as Police Chief Inspector Lorenzo L. Hinares.
Governor Solon, may revolution. Nung na mayor ako, magulo ang Davao. Lahat nandun. And what is really worse at the time, it was a very bad policy, but yung mga durugista, yung mga kidnapper, tao doon, medyo disiplinado, walang suplado. Bakit kami sa Davao, ang pakisama namin sa Moro, pati Kristiyanos, maganda. Sabi nila, bakit patayan nung nag-umpisa si Duterte? Policeman. Ano ka, at that time sa enkwentro, were you a policeman or not in the performance of duty? Yes, because at that time, you are not in the performance of duty. Pak.